Welcome to Daisy Nukes Recipes and DIY Crafts. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be bleaching a t-shirt. It's a really fun technique. I've been having a great time doing it and I'd like to show you what I'm doing. The design I've come up with looks like this. I really like it. It's got a lighter spray in the middle and a heavier spray around the outside, and I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, you'll need a tray, a top. Now I bought this top new, but you can use an old top if you have one. And also you do need to iron your top before you start, because any creases will show in the bleach pattern. And if you just pop your t-shirt in a tray, this just stops it getting spray on the other side of your t-shirt, because you don't want it soaking through. So we'll start off like that. Now I've used Tesco Fresh Bleach. Now I've tried all the other bleaches and done lots of samples, and I found this one to be the best. Now I've mixed it in a spray container which I got from Boots, and I've put 3/4 of the bleach and 1/4 of water just to help it spray a little easier, and I found that mix works well. I've also got another sprayer which I got from the pound shop. It's sort of like a hairdressing spray, and it gives a better blobbier finish for around the edges. So for the design, I've cut out pieces of cardboard. Like, you'll need cardboard rather than paper, because it'll just get wet and disintegrate. So for a little design, I've just done that, sort of going up the t-shirt. That one straighter. And then I've also used sprinkles, and these do work really well. So I've put a few sprinkles about. Actually, I don't want it too wide, because I want to put my heavier bleach around the outside. So just position them exactly where you want them. I mean, if you have little heart sprinkles, you could probably use those. So there you go. I'm just going to place these where I'm happy with. Maybe too many there. Make sure your t-shirt is nice and flat. And also, if you have big edges on your t-shirt or cuffs and you don't want to bleach those, just put some masking tape over them. There we go, I'm happy with that. So now that's all in place, we're going to use our sprayer. Now you don't want to put too much on, so you lightly spray and just mist it over the area in the middle. There we go. And for the outside, I'm going to use this which dribbles bigger bits around the outside. There you go. And when you're happy with it, you just need to take off your pieces of paper. You don't want the wet going through, and then take off the stars. Because they are plastic, they stick to your finger really well, so I find the best way to get them off is to just use your finger and dab against it. It'll just come off. You can see it changing colour already. Obviously, depending on which colour t-shirt you've got, the bleach does go different colours. Like on a black, it will go quite yellowy orange, and on this one it looks like it's going more of a greeny colour. But there you go, you can sort of see it taking shape now. And I'll leave this to dry and then show you when it's completely bleached. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll just show you closer up. You can see the bigger blodges around the outside are actually really wet still. But there we go. You can see how well it's done close up. There you go, and I'll come and show you in a minute when it's all bleached. Okay, it's been half an hour now and it's all dyed really, really well. So close up. So now it's nice and dry. I'm just going to take the tray out and have a look at it. Oh, I really, really love it. It looks fab. There we go. If you've liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. I think I'm going to carry on making some more of these and bring you some more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.